Today, I'm going to show you how to convert all of these capacitive touch buttons to real physical buttons. We're inside the Hyundai Ioniq 5 at the moment. The car is off, so that's why it's not working. None of these buttons work, but once the car is on, they will. They only work when you press them with your bare fingers or special gloves that work with capacitive touch. This is a huge nuisance because when you want to change some settings, you have to physically look at the panel and then touch it. If you're driving, it's going to be very challenging because the panel is flat with no cues whatsoever. In this video, we'll do the easy method. In the next video, we'll do the hard method, which is tapping directly into the CAN bus. By doing that, we can assign the buttons anywhere we want, such as the armrest, steering wheel, whatever. This whole package is meant for mobile gaming. Inside, you get all of these buttons. There's 3 round ones, 3 flat ones, and 1 big flat one. There are also these finger condoms, I guess you could say, to clean up the surface, or you can just use any wipe. There are some stickers, but I have no idea what they're for. I didn't use them. I did use the finger condoms to clean up the surface before we applied the buttons. These are like suction cups, and FYI, both the rubber and metallic piece is conductive. Double-sided tape will not work to secure them in place. Installing the buttons is pretty easy. All you have to do is use one of the finger condoms and wipe the surface super clean. Make sure that the back of the button is clean as well. Then just press it into position like so. I'm going to paint this gold to white or maybe black, just because this gold looks hideous. Here's another one. Let's turn the car on. Change the climate control. Press and hold. Perfect. I should note that this is not really a button. With a real button, you press and something happens. With these mobile gaming buttons, they just pass the electricity on your finger to the car's panel. So you actually don't need to push them in. You can just glide your fingers onto the button, and that's good enough. Over time, these buttons will fall off by themselves. I would say maybe about 3 or 4 hours later, they will fall. So that's why you're seeing these 3D printed pieces right here to hold them in position. Behind the 3D printed itself is the 3M tape. 3M VHB tape should secure the 3D prints in place, which then holds the buttons in place. So what do you think? This is truly a work in progress. As of now, the buttons function. I can control the fan speed and temperature without directly looking at the controls. I gotta admit, it does look hideous. If you know of ways to make it look better, more glossy, to match with the panel's design, please let me know. The only thing that's bugging me at the moment is the color of the buttons. Most likely, I'll try to change them to aluminum or black. If you're going to paint them, make sure that you're using the conductive paints, and those are not cheap. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.